Hi, my name is Val, and I'm a volunteer here at Frederick Olmsted National Historic Site. And I'm particularly interested in plants and the landscape and so forth. And today we're on a part of the landscape known as the South Lawn, a pastoral landscape, big sort of open spaces. And behind me is a very special tree. It's an American elm, Ulmus americana. This is a cultivar, Jeffersonia, the Jefferson Elm. It was developed for use in the National Mall in Washington, D.C. because it's resistant to Dutch elm disease, which of course more than decimated, took out almost all the elms, which were a really good street tree. Now this one shows the growth habit of an elm very well. It shows the sort of vase-shaped. This isn't the original one. When Frederick Olmsted and his son John Charles were working on this part of the landscape, and had just come here in the 1880s, this was a disused orchard. It was an old orchard and most of the trees were dead or dying, so he got rid of a lot of the trees. But he did save a few, and one of them was the famous Olmsted Elm. You know, the word Olmsted means place of the elms. And we kept it going until 2010, and then it became dangerous, and we simply had to take it down. Unfortunately, the clones that they were trying to keep alive at the Arnold Arboretum didn't make it, so we got this Jefferson elm that we planted shortly after 2010, and so far so good. How do you tell an elm tree? Well, the leaves are pretty distinctive, particularly the fact that the leaf base is asymmetrical. There are very few trees that are like that in this part of the country. So this is the famous Olmsted elm.